The long wait is over. This is Chef Ronald Donado and welcome to Make Sense Baking and Cooking Online Tutorial. Let's cook chicken mechado. For the first procedure, iprito natin ng carrots at saka patatas. I-cut muna natin siya into cube or sa isang patatas, 4 na piraso. Mga medium size, pati na rin ang carrots. Iprito natin siya until maging golden brown in color. Once golden ang kulay ng mga patatas natin, pwede na natin muna siyang iset aside and ready na tayo mag-saute. Let's saute about 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. 1 medium sliced onion, sliced. Saute garlic and onion until garlic becomes golden in color while onion become limp or parang medyo transparent na yung kanyang kulay. After this, pwede na natin ilagay ang chicken meat. 500 grams na chicken meat cut into serving pieces. Next, pwede na tayo maglagay ng 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And 2 tablespoons white vinegar. Si white vinegar kasi nakakatulong siya para mas ma-prolong yung shelf life or yung buhay or yung lifespan ng ating mechado para hindi siya agad na mapanis. Let's cover and cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until chicken becomes tender. After 10 minutes, pwede na natin ilagay ang tomato paste for about mga 3 tablespoons to 4 tablespoons. And pwede na rin natin ilagay ang 2 piraso ng laurel. So after about 10 minutes, makikita niyo po na nag-reduce na po yung kanyang sabaw, yung sauce. Mas thicker na siya at nagmamantika. And then pwede na natin ilagay yung ating fried carrots, fried potatoes, and cubed na bell pepper. After mga 10 to 15 minutes, makikita nyo po na nag-reduce na yung sauce. And then nagmamantika na din po yung chicken. And then pwede nang ilagay yung carrots, yung ating patatas, and red bell pepper. And then we're going to add about half cup of water and hayaan natin mag-deglaze yung sauce. After mga 5 minutes, luto na po yung ating chicken mechado. Ayan, luto na yung ating chicken mechado. Lastly, pwede natin siyang i-season ng salt and pepper according to our taste. Amoy pa lang, nakakabusog na. That is our chicken mechado. Kaya samahan niyo po ako as I share my recipes from my kitchen to yours.